Here's a long barrel Team AGS Nelson. From the exterior, doesn't look too unusual. Has a Lapco frame, Lapco ASA, Tasso or AGS front and rear sights. There's the front sight. It has a removable barrel with Tasso threads. Tasso and AGS both shared the same threads during this time. Super long barrel, probably 16 inches, maybe 18 inches. Pretty long. Rubline pump handle. Quick disconnect so I can do my little latches right here. Slide it off. It'll come off. There we go. But what's neat about this Nelson, the reason I wanted to do a video is because of the internals. So the sight rail on this Nelson says Team AGS, which means that it's a Nelson removable barrel pump that AGS offered after they split up with Tasso. And a couple other things we can notice is it has a steel pump stabilizing arm, or I guess it's a stabilizing arm. Basically what happens is your pump handles, while they're passing through this, they're stabilized by it. So you don't have, it removes some of that play. Other things we can notice are that it's using a Wintec Lapco style frame that's the full frame. It's not just the Lone Star compatible frame, it's actually the full frame. So it's a pretty nice build that someone set up, but what's really cool about it are the internals that are inside of the body here. This is a bore drop Nelson, which means it allows the ball to fall directly into the bore. And remove our valve body, remove our hammer, and remove our pump arm screws. So there's our bolt and our hammer. We can see that the bolt and the hammer have this interlocking rod. They're also velocity adjustable with an Allen wrench, and they have that interlocking little notch right there. And on the back here, it says HB302M. So I posted some Phantom internals a while ago, and I think those had a similar abbreviation on the back. Pretty rad. They're stainless. Look to be pretty high quality. They only have the sear arm catch on the base, not anywhere else around the body of it. Here's the frame. It does have the serial number in the rail, 1994. Has dried paint all over it. The power tube is unmarked. The valve retaining screw is stamped line SI. And yeah. So there we go.